Well, I knew in the States I wouldn't qualify. A lot of people would say that I wasn't overweight. And then I chose this clinic because my mother did extensive research, a lot of research. And of course, there were other clinics in Tijuana that were less money. And to read comments about those other facilities led my mom to think that that probably wasn't the safest place to be. And she's been in the medical field and she knew kind of what to look for, and just all the things that we heard about everything. I mean, even just the people and the equipment was all positive, and everyone loved how they were cared for.
My sister-in-law who had the surgery is a nurse, and like I said, when she decided to do it, I knew that she wouldn't do anything that she felt unsafe, insecure, or doing in a bad place, that she would have researched it to the nth degree of what she did. And so because of her, and because I was so confident in her and her decision making, didn't think twice about it. My husband, when I told him I was going to have the surgery, goes, "You're doing what?" I go, "I'm going to have the surgery." He goes, "No, you're not." "Yeah, I am. You can go with me or not." He goes, "You're not having it." "Yeah, I am." So then he says, "Well, I guess I at least need to go to make sure she's okay, because we all have these little fears." But from the minute they picked us up until they took us home, my husband was so impressed with the transportation, with the hospital, with Dr. Michelle and the clinic and the surgery and our surgeons and our aftercare. He was so comfortable with it that he scheduled his own surgery a few weeks later.
Everything, like, it's so clean, but you're just treated like family. I mean, you have their phone number, they check on you. They check on you years later, they're still checking on me, and they're like our family. We're one big family, and they truly care. It was so clean. The care in the hospital was awesome. All the testing, like, they get you right in, and everything's really thorough. And I mean, they're just right there to take care of you. It's really so hard to explain, because it's like you're in a 5-star hotel and spa. I mean, the way they treat you, because you're just the best medical care I've ever received.
The staff, they're amazing. They're family. That's what they are. They are definitely family. I can't say anything negative about them at all. And the place and the stay afterwards, everything was fabulous. Yeah, it was definitely 5 stars all the way. And with, like, the nutritionist, and I mean, everything. I mean, you couldn't get a nutritionist for a whole year here in the States. And afford it, you know.
I had my surgery 5 months ago, and everyone is family. The first day we were there, I felt completely comfortable, and I just followed Isel everywhere. And to this day, I still hear from all of them. You know, we have our own patient group too that we all communicate, and it really feels like family, because they don't necessarily just contact you to see how you're feeling, but they want to know how you're doing. There's just a lot of caring even 5 months after, which you probably wouldn't expect, you know, from your surgeon.